Welcome to this special video report on volcanoes, their effects and the aftermath of the eruption of a volcano in Russia. Volcanoes are one of the most powerful and destructive natural forces on Earth. They have the potential to cause significant damage to human lives, property, and the environment. On March 30, 2023, the Klyuchevskaya Sopka, sorry for mispronunciation, a stratovolcano located on the Kamchatka Peninsula in eastern Russia, erupted, spewing ash and lava for hours. The recent eruption of the volcano in Russia is a stark reminder of the unpredictable and dangerous nature of volcanoes. The eruption affected many nearby areas, including a small village located just a few miles away. In this special video report, we will explore the science behind volcanoes, the impact of the recent eruption on a nearby village, and the steps being taken to recover and rebuild. By understanding the effects of volcanic eruptions, we can better prepare for and mitigate their impact in the future.
What is a volcano?
To understand the intensity of the eruption, it is necessary to first understand what a volcano is. A volcano is a geological formation formed when magma, or molten rock, rises to the Earth's surface. When this occurs, the magma can either explode or flow out of the volcano, releasing gases and particles into the atmosphere. This is referred to as an eruption. Volcanoes come in a variety of shapes and sizes, including stratovolcanoes, shield volcanoes, and cinder cones, each with its own set of characteristics.
The effects of a volcanic eruption.
The release of gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide is another effect of a volcanic eruption. These gases can also be harmful to human health, causing respiratory issues, headaches, and nausea. They can also contribute to climate change and global warming by contributing to the greenhouse effect. Lastly, volcanic eruptions can cause widespread destruction. Lava flows can destroy buildings, roads, and infrastructure, whereas volcanic bombs, which are large chunks of molten rock, can cause fires and property damage.
The Russian village under 8.5 centimeters of ash.
Now that we have a better understanding of the effects of volcanic eruptions, let us turn our attention to the small village of Klyuchevskaya Sopka in Russia, which was impacted by the recent eruption of the Klyuchevskaya Sopka volcano. As a result of the eruption, the village, which is only a few miles away from the volcano, was covered in 8.5 centimeters of ash. Everything in the village was covered in ash, from homes and buildings to streets and cars. The villagers were forced to stay indoors because the ash made breathing and seeing difficult. The ash also caused chaos on the village's economy. The village relies on agriculture, but the ash made crop growth impossible, leaving the villagers without a source of income. Furthermore, the ash caused damage to machinery and equipment, making it difficult for the villagers to maintain their farms and livestock.
The road to recovery.
The village is currently being cleaned up and rebuilt. The villagers are collaborating to clean up the ash from their homes and buildings. And the local government is assisting with cleaning and repairing infrastructure. The village's economy is slowly recovering, as the ash is being cleared and crops are being replanted. However, the impact of the eruption will be felt for years to come. The villagers will need to take steps to protect themselves from the long-term effects of the ash, such as respiratory problems and the negative impact on the soil. In conclusion, the recent eruption of the Klyuchevskaya Sopka volcano in Russia serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impact of volcanic eruptions. The effects of the eruption on the nearby village were significant, with homes, buildings, and infrastructure covered in ash. However, the resilience and determination of the villagers to rebuild and recover are inspiring. The road to recovery will be long and challenging, but with the support of their community and the local government, they are making progress. As we continue to face the unpredictable nature of volcanoes, it is crucial that we continue to study and understand their science in order to better prepare for and mitigate the impact of these natural disasters. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Please subscribe